Number one, I mentioned here, preserve your energy. Now this is what I mean. You know, like how there are certain things that you like do randomly, like, you know, attend this person's birthday party, go to the mall, not even for you sometimes. Maybe someone needs company, hashtag, you know who I'm talking about. Maybe they need company and you're just like, yeah, let me tag along, blah, blah, blah. The next thing you know, you spend the whole day at the mall and now you have lost time where you could have like been studying, preparing, blah, blah, blah. So these are just two random examples, but there are certain other things as well. I mean, if you're a guy, you're probably going to like, I mean, there are certain things that you kind of do that kind of waste your time and you feel like you're like not wasting energy, but you actually are. Like sometimes when you're, let's say watching like a soccer match, right? A soccer match is like 90 minutes. Fine. But then there's things like, you know, halftime, edit time, blah, blah, blah. I mean, one or the other. And then there's like the pre-game stuff and then there's the post-game stuff. So, I mean, a soccer match may just be 90 minutes. But then let's be honest, you're probably gonna spend like a whole 3 hours just because of that game. So if it's really like not your team, or if that match is like really not important, you're better off not watching it, because in as much as you're just gonna be sitting there watching blah blah blah, certain things like that, they do chow your time and then they also do chow your energy.